Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick video. We're doing callaloo juice, and as you can see here, I have my callaloo in the sink. Already stripped this part, and I'm washing it with salt because it's callaloo juice, so I have to ensure that it is washed properly before I start to cut it up. Guys, hope you are sharing the video. Hope you are telling a friend to tell a friend to check out Vlog with Shan. So callaloo is properly washed, and it's time now for us to cut. We're gonna cut in sizes that I would like to do things fast, so you can cut like 4 pieces at a time. I call it 4 stalks of callaloo. And please note, ensure that you wash the salt off good, because you don't want the juice. Because remember, it's juice and it's not steam. But the salt is to kill whatever insect laying in on it and all of that. So after we cut, what we're gonna do is any little, the little blooming thing. If we see that, we're gonna take it off and discard it, and then we place it in our blender. I'm adding 2 pieces of ginger here, just for additional flavoring. This is straight callaloo juice. We're not adding anything to it. Not like I'm making green juice where I'm having different green ingredients. So because I'm drinking it right away, you can see here I have ice water. This water have ice cubes in it as well, because just as I blend it, I will be drinking it. Okay, let me adjust my camera. In terms of adding water, it's up to you. If you don't like the bitter taste, you can add more water. But hey, you don't want to stress our callaloo too much. So I'm not gonna add a lot of water because I'm using 4 stalks of callaloo. So I have like over a liter of water. Not a bunch of callaloo, but it is 4 stalks. Here while I'm gonna go ahead and strain. I do not have a lot of stuff in the strainer because it's callaloo and it's gonna blend right out. Callaloo is extremely soft and it don't come with a lot of fat. But at the end of the day, we have to strain because we are drinking it and we need that smooth taste. Okay, so you see I have additional callaloo here, guys. See, my camera is giving me a warm time. Adding the rest of my ice water, and then I'm going to blend this. All those iron and all that in my body, but I don't drink too much. So I do this like 1 time for the month if I don't feel it. But sometimes to make things move fast, I just blend, drink, and go. Sometimes you have to go work and you have to do something. So I mean, why not just throw 2 stalks of callaloo in the blender? Maybe if we did have to cut up seasonal seasons, we never did have to do it. So let me do a little housekeeping here. Clean up my area while I have my callaloo juice here. And guys, let me emphasize on this. Thank you so much for support. So guys, I'm going to finish blending the last part of this here, and then I'm going to strain it. And while I do that, camera just give me pure problem. Add in a teaspoon of lime juice, just that alone, to my callaloo juice. Guys, this is cold, no need to go on the fridge, and this serves for two. Thanks for watching, guys. Love.